So hi everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. Today we are going to start our lesson 4 of the course which is going on Aao English Seekhe, Let's Learn English. So if you are watching this video for the first time, then you please check out my 3 previous videos also, so that you come to know about the syllabus or the topics which we have covered so far. Then only this course will be completed. So this is our lesson 4. So let me tell you what we are going to cover up in this course. So first of all, we will have part 1. As usual, I'll be telling you rules. And in this video, we are going to cover up 5 connectors. 5 connectors will be however, yet, in any case, as a result, and otherwise. So these 5 connectors, and you will come to know how to use them properly in your written and spoken English. Then our second part will be vocabulary building, and the topic for our conversation in this video is going to be चलो घूम के आए हम. So definitely I think you must have understood कि हम क्या करने वाले हैं. हमारे गेस्ट को हम घुमाने लेके जाने वाले हैं. तो गेस्ट जो है वो मार्केट में जाएंगे, और इस बार की इस वीडियो में हमारी वोकैबुलरी होगी मार्केट वोकैबुलरी. मीन्स which words are used in the market. So we will be covering up those 10 new words, and after that will be our conversation between me and my son Arinjay. So after that conversation, there will be story time in which I'll be telling you about my city of my childhood, how much we used to roam. मीन्स हम कितना घूमते थे बचपन में, एंड कहाँ कहाँ जाते थे, और एक बार हमें एक मूवी के लिए 3 बार जाना पड़ा था. So these things I am going to tell you in the story time. So stay tuned for that. That is going to be very interesting. And after that, one means adequates related to market, obviously, and then finally assessment test. So let's start now. So this is our part 1, and in part 1 we are going to know how to use however, yet, in any case, as a result, and otherwise. So first of all, however को हम कैसे यूज करते हैं और इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है. If I say he is very cunning, however, sometimes he behaves nicely. Means what is the meaning of however? However means फिर भी या लेकिन. Means it is used in different senses. It means you can use this word in different ways. Like if I say I have not done anything, however I'm sure that I will do it. फिर भी, you can mostly use it in the sense of फिर भी. So this however you can use in the sense of फिर भी. After that, you can use this however in the sense of लेकिन, कि मैंने ये काम नहीं किया लेकिन मैं कर लूंगी. Means I have taken your pen, however I'll return it soon. So in this way you can use however. Now our second word is yet. Yet has a very clear meaning, फिर भी, and you have to use means he has completed his work, yet he is worried. कि उसने अपना काम कंप्लीट कर लिया है, फिर भी वो worried है. So in this way you can use yet. Yet is mostly used with though and although, right? So mostly yet is used with these 2 words. Now our third connector is in any case. In any case means किसी भी condition में. It means if you want to say कि I don't know, you will have to return my money in any case. कि मुझे नहीं पता, किसी भी कंडीशन में आपको मेरे पैसे लौटाने ही पड़ेंगे. So in any case. Next word is as a result. So these are I'm taking up those terms and expressions only which you can use in your everyday. So our 5th conjunction is otherwise. Otherwise means नहीं तो. Mostly this word is used कि जब आप किसी को धमकी देना चाहते हैं कि you return my money, otherwise I will call the police. You go there, otherwise I will टेल योर पेरेंट्स. सो कि कहीं किसी को धमकी देनी है, किसी को थ्रेट देना है, तो यू विल यूज अदरवाइज. सो वी विल use these 5 connectors. These are used in our everyday English. Very commonly used connectors I have taken for you. Start our part. Now let's start our part 2. So in part 2, as I have already told you, we are going to cover up market vocabulary. So market vocabulary means which are the words and terms used in the markets. So first of all, customer. Customer means when we go to the market, we are the customers. Customers are buyers. कि जब अगर हम कुछ खरीदने जाते हैं मार्केट में तो we are known as customer, right? So our second word is cost. C-O-S-T. कि अगर आप मार्केट में गए हैं, आपको किसी चीज का रेट पूछना है तो you will ask what is the cost of this thing. So in this way you have to use cost. Means these are very simple words, but generally students and children, they don't know how to ask about the rate of something. You will say what is the cost of this thing. Our third word is label. Label is that small, you can say some paper or some labeling is there on the products. So that is called the label, जिसमें पूरी information होती है, उसका नाम होता है product का and all. So that is known as label. Next is packaging. पैकेजिंग मीन्स कि वो प्रोडक्ट किस तरह से पैक हुआ है. मीन्स यू कैन आस्क द शॉपकीपर कि व्हाट इज द मीन्स पैकेजिंग कॉस्ट और द पैकेजिंग इज द पैकेजिंग गुड और नॉट. सो पैकेजिंग. सो आवर नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ वर्ड इज वेंडर. VENDOR. वेंडर्स आर जो शॉपकीपर्स या मीन्स जो मार्केट में जो लोग सामान बेच रहे होते हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं वेंडर्स. जो मीन्स शॉप्स पे नहीं होते, मोस्टली वो बाहर किसी ठेले पे या कहीं पे बैठ के बेच रहे होते हैं, तो दे आर कॉल्ड वेंडर. देन आवर नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज हॉकर्स. HAWKERS. नाउ हॉकर्स आर दोज पीपल जो मार्केट में जोर जोर से आवाज लगा लगा के चीजों को बेच रहे होते हैं कि 10 का 5, 10 का 5, लाइक दिस. So, and generally in weekly markets you must have seen them. So they are called hawkers. जैसे न्यूज़पेपर हॉकर, राइट? जो आपके घर पे न्यूज़पेपर डालने वाला आता है, that is called न्यूज़पेपर हॉकर. So जो आप मोस्टली हॉकर्स वो होते हैं जो बोल बोल के अपनी चीजों को बेच रहे होते हैं. So our next word is hustle bustle. So you check the pronunciation carefully. It's not hustle and bustle. It is hustle and bustle. HUSTLE BUSTLE. Hustle and bustle. Hustle and bustle means lot of noise and जहां पर बहुत ज्यादा मीन्स रौनक है, बहुत ज्यादा चहलकदमी है, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, शोर शराबा है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड हसल एंड. नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज ग्रोसरी. वेरी कॉमन वर्ड. सो आवर नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज ग्रोसरी. Very common word. Groceries means every day we go to the market to buy groceries. जो घर में यूज होने वाली चीजें होती हैं, जो मोस्टली कॉमन चीजें होती हैं, घर में यूज होती हैं, जो जैसे हमारा मिल्क हो गया, हमारी डेली यूज की चीजें हो गई, ब्रेड हो गया, कुछ भी हो गया, तो दे आर कॉल्ड ग्रोसरीज. आई एम गोइंग टू द मार्केट टू बाय ग्रोसरी. सो नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज ग्रीन ग्रोसर्स. जो सब्जी बेचने वाले आपके होते हैं, जो फ्रूट्स और सब्जी बेच रहे होते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड ग्रीन ग्रोसर्स. दे आर नोन एज ग्रीन ग्रोसर्स. So you can call them green grocers. I am going to buy vegetables from the green grocer, right? So next 10th word is outlets. आपने shops word तो बहुत बार यूज किया होगा, सुना भी होगा. There are many shops in the market. If you want to use another word for the shops is outlets. These shops are known as outlets. So there are many outlets of clothes in this market. So you can use it like this. Now let's move to our third part, that is the conversation. Conversation will be, the topic of the conversation will be चलो घूम के आए हम. तो let's see how do we converse with each other, me and my son Aryan.
So I am going to buy groceries. Would you like to come?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
So let's go. It's quite nearby.
Wow, there is lot of hustle and bustle in the market.
Yeah, actually there are so many vendors and hawkers out there.
How are the costs of goods here?
They are quite reasonable.
Wow, that's good. There are so many outlets. I think you can get anything from there.
Yeah, we get quality products here with goods, labels, and packaging also.
Wow, that's great. Do you buy your veggies also from this market?
Yes, we have one trustworthy greengrocer. He always provides us fresh fruits and veggies.
Wow, it was really fun to explore this market.
Well, so now we have come to our part 4, that is story time. So in this story, obviously our theme is market, so I will have to tell you about the markets of the city in which I lived when I was a child. So actually I lived in Panipat from Haryana, as I told you earlier also. So the market of that place, they were on the way to our college. When I was in कि हमें कॉलेज से वापसी आने में उस मार्केट को क्रॉस करके कवर करके आना होता था. तो यूजुअली आई बॉट सो मेनी थिंग्स वाइल कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम द कॉलेज, कि जो भी खरीदना होता था उस मार्केट से खरीद के आते थे घर पे. तो और एंड उसके बाद ये है कि हम लोग बहुत घूमते थे. मेरे फादर हम लोगों को बहुत घुमाने लेके जाते थे. मीन्स माई सन गेट्स जेलस ऑफ दिस थिंग व्हेन आई टेल हिम दीज थिंग्स कि and mostly every Thursday he would take us to one Peer Baba, he would take us to Gurudwaras, he would take us to temples everywhere. And if there was any new movie released, we had to go to watch that. My father will take us all. And I remember that when the movie Hum Aapke Hain Kaun was released, we went 3 times, but we couldn't get any ticket. 3 times we went to and we didn't get any ticket. And third time when we went in the morning. सुबह जल्दी ही चले गए थे और जल्दी जाके टिकट्स खरीद ली नेक्स्ट शो की, और उतना टाइम हम वहां घूमते रहे. देन माई फादर टुक अस टू वन पार्क, दैट बोटिंग होती थी, वहां पे पूरा दिन हम घूमते रहे. फिर एक गुरुद्वारे में गए थोड़ी देर के लिए. तो इस तरह से हमने अपना वो डे स्पेंड किया, और शाम के टाइम हमारी मूवी थी, तो वो मूवी देख के फिर हम घर आए. सो दैट वॉज वेरी दैट शोज द एंथुजियाज्म ऑफ वॉचिंग मूवीज एंड ऑल इन दोज डेज. आजकल तो कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं होता कि एक दिन में 10 मूवीज होती हैं, बट इन दोज डेज इट वॉज लाइक दैट. वी विल मूव टू आवर पार्ट 5, दैट इज एटिक्वेट. So we are talking about market. So what etiquettes are required in the market? So definitely first thing is that you should always walk on your side. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप ट्रैफिक इधर से आ रहा है और आप भी उसी डायरेक्शन में चले जा रहे हैं. So be very careful. Another, don't talk and laugh very loudly in the market. So that is another market etiquette. Means you should speak very slowly and you should maintain that decorum that you are not at your home, you are in the market. Third and the most important thing is always carry a recyclable bag with you. Means whenever next time you are going to the market, carry a jute bag with you so that you can avoid getting poly bags. So these are the etiquettes which you should know. So now obviously at the last there will be a test of 5 marks. You have to check those questions, you have to answer them in the comment box. And if you have any question, you can simply ask me. And if you have to anything related to your childhood, means any funny thing related to any story related to market and all, you can simply tell that in the comment box. I love to hear that. So now it's time to say bye. So see you back in my next video. That is going to be our last video of this course.